Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to crop a screenshot on OPPO Reno8 Pro. To crop a screenshot on OPPO Reno8 Pro, first take the screenshot, and to take it you need to click on two buttons at once, which are power and volume are down. So click on them at once and now click on the screenshot that has just been taken. And now you can drag on any of the corners or edges to crop the screenshot. Then tap here to save it, and now it's been saved to your phone's gallery. Here. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.